Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Infinix is ready. Plug in if low and unlock the phone so settings are accessible. Once unlocked, open Settings and use the search bar to find Lock Screen that saves time versus digging menus. Tap Lock Screen to enter those controls. Make sure you have Device Admin or Owner Access because some options hide for secondary profiles. Now that you're in Lock Screen options, prepare to locate widgets, shortcuts, or the specific Explore item that appears on some Infinix overlays. Next, focus on the setting that controls that Explore panel. Once inside Lock Screen, look for widgets, shortcuts, or a labeled Explore toggle. Infinix skins place it under Wallpaper and Lock Screen or under Launcher options. Tap the toggle off or remove the widget. If it's a shortcut, edit shortcuts and clear the assigned action. Make sure to save or exit using back navigation so the change persists. If you made changes in the launcher, restart the home process by force-stopping the launcher in App Info to apply. Finish by locking the phone and verifying the Explore element no longer appears. Test by waking the screen and swiping. If the item still shows, reboot the device to force the system to reload settings, and then recheck. If it remains, go to Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Launcher or Home, clear cache, and only if necessary, clear data to reset shortcuts. This removes personalized settings but fixes persistent UI glitches. Important troubleshooting tip: backup launcher settings or note shortcuts before clearing data to restore preferred layout quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.